Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about one buy stock and one sell stock and also about Nifty Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session that would be on 8th of May friends. Come to our previous video, we have given Kotak Bank for a buy friends. Okay, this was the 915 candle and you have seen it going upwards. This was the target was achieved. It went straight till here, then it maintained those levels for a good amount of time, and because Nifty Bank Nifty was low, it could not sustain. This target was met, it could not sustain, and finally fell down friends. Crypto was given as a sell stock. Okay, this is your 915 candle, this is your 915 candle, actually straight down, retracement, again big fall. So nothing wrong in saying that both are buy and sell stocks met the target. If you are still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and also hit that bell notification friends. That way you would not be missing out on any such important updates, news and real-time analysis that we are doing on the market friends. I'm talking about Nifty Bank Nifty. Before that, let's talk about the positive and negative stops in the previous trading session. The positive stocks that were pulling the market upwards on Friday were Titan, Ultratech Cement, Maruti Suzuki, Nestle, Hero Motocorp, and there were Apollo Hospital and Asian Paints also. So these were the stocks that were pulling the market up. Talking about the stocks that were pulling the market down, the list starts with Hindalco, UPL, Tata Steel, M&M, HDFC Life, NTPC and Infosys. Now, out of these stocks, HDFC Life and Infosys were our sell stocks in past. So those stocks really performed very well by falling. Now coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. This was a very sharp rise that happened on Thursday, friends. Okay. Now this rise was something that happened because of the expiry. And what happened is we captured the entire. If you have not seen the Hero Zero video that we have done live, you can go ahead and watch that video. We had given a buy at the break of this particular levels and this entire performance was captured. Same thing happened with Bank Nifty. We had given a buy somewhere here and this performance was captured. Now in Bank Nifty, something also discussed in that video. If you remember friends, I'll just show that to you. I told that if it is breaking this particular trend line, okay, downwards, this was the trend line, okay, and I told you that if it is breaking this trend line downwards, I told you that I am not interested to sell. And in the same video we also discussed that if this trend line is broken, okay, remember this trend line is broken, then I'm interested to sell. Now what happened the next day is it gave a big gap down. Attempt was made to fill the gap. Did it fill the gap? The answer is no. Then it started falling. This was a big fall and then it retraced till here, this level, and this is our important trend line that we were talking about. A sell here initiated a very good profit, friends. Now if you look at it, this particular profit is higher than the gain that happened on the expiry day. The only thing is on expiry day the gain was on a very small margin that was required again. So if you compare, see this was 235 points upward momentum and this particular thing was about 600 points down, friends. So almost double of what we captured here was captured here. So this is the importance of levels, okay, and that is the reason I always tell you that this is the importance of the levels and the trend lines that we usually make. We're talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Simple. Now look at this, friends. This is a good fall, no doubt it's a good fall, but if you look at it from a daily time frames perspective, see this was your bottom that was made on 20th, okay, from where market is continuously going up. Okay, so if I draw a Fibo from the bottom till the top, which is here, okay, does it even retrace till the first level of retracement? The answer is no. Second level of retracement is where we can enter for a buy. So here I don't think that it is still in buy territory. I still believe that it will come till here or till here. We are bearish in the market and are expecting some kind of negativity that will come in the coming days. Now, just for the sake of convenience or to back, we are just pulling up data for global cues. And I point this out right now, the global cues are also little positive, around 50 points up is what we are expecting. So from this level, we can expect some 50 points upward momentum, from where again there can be a fall. Now to analyze that, let's go back to 5 minutes. Okay, before that, let's analyze Bank Nifty also on a daily time frame and then go back to 5 minutes. In Bank Nifty, there was a 1,000 point cut, friends, in one day. So if I'm drawing a Fibbo from recent bottom to the top, Bank Nifty has almost more or less reached the 23.6 levels. Okay, so when this is the situation, what I would say is I would be on sell side for Nifty and on buy side for Bank Nifty. And I hope you people understand that sell side on Nifty doesn't mean that at 9:15 I'll go in short. That's not what I mean. So coming back to 5 minutes now. Here on 5 minutes, friends, what we see is, now we can go ahead and delete this all things. See, now if I'm drawing a straight Fibbo from the recent top, which was made on the XP till the bottom. Okay, these are the levels where you can sell. Okay, this is 18,160, 18,190 and 18,215. Now here 18,000 round number is going to act like a strong support. So if you are selling anywhere here, we can go ahead and target 18,000. Okay, which is somewhere here, friends. Okay, and if you look at it, this will give you a very good risk to reward ratio. Will we target that in one day? The answer is no. We will slowly keep trailing stop loss to achieve that kind of a target, and we are bullish on the market until it turns to 18,000. Once 18,000 is broken, then we can reassess the market to see a selling trend. When will we become positive? We will become positive only after it moves above 18,238, 18,250 levels, friends. Okay, after that level is only when we will look for a buy trade. Now one more important thing that I see here, if I look at this line, okay, there is a high chance that it will show you a breakout here tomorrow. Okay, and after that breakout, it will continue to go upwards. As soon as this level is broken, okay, there will be retailers like you and me who will start buying, thinking that this is just a double bottom and upward momentum. That's when it will go ahead and touch the 50% level, friends. That is at 215, 18,215. That is where market will go ahead and turn and continue its momentum downwards. So be very careful with that particular level, friends. Coming to analysis for Bank Nifty on 5 minutes. See, let's delete all this. You already know this is the momentum that I was talking about that we captured. And now if I'm drawing a Fibbo from recent top to the bottom, because of the 1,000 point cut that we got yesterday, levels will be very, very perfect. Now see, at the first level of retracement, there is a level that is where Bank Nifty has given a kind of a resistance zone. At the second level of retracement, that is 38.2 levels, again there is a proper level from where it can turn down. And at 50%, we have levels even past, friends. Okay, so highest chance for it to go down will be at 50% as usual, and these are the two places where we will sell. When will we start buying? The answer is simple. We will start buying from this level. If it touches this level, that is 43,286. Okay, that's when we will draw a reverse Fibbo like this to here, and then wait for this particular level or this particular level for a buy, and we will then target the top. But I don't think that will really happen. We are looking for selling only in tomorrow's trading session. And as I already mentioned, we are looking for sell positions in Bank Nifty, and if there is an opportunity to buy, if we get it here itself for this kind of a level, then we will buy Nifty. That is how we will target for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session. coming to the stock of the day, friends. We are choosing, okay, this was the previous day stock. Okay, we are choosing SBI Life for a buy, friends. The reason is simple. It has gone ahead and retraced till 23.6. It took its support once, twice. This is the third time, and finally it gave a breakout. Okay, this breakout is not on 5 minutes just because it went up and came back down. So those who want to aggressively trade can go ahead and buy here itself, or you can wait for this particular trend line to break. As soon as this trend line breaks and retraces, you can select for a buy. Your first target would be this range here, 1884, and the next target would be the top, 1885, 75, 86. So your risk to reward will be, even if you keep a 71 stop loss, that is 4 rupees, your risk to reward is 1:2, friends. Coming to the sell stock, we are choosing Adani put for a sell. You remember this triple top, 1, 2, 3 tops is what we selected for a sell last time, and its trade gave us this kind of a profit. Now what do we see in this now? Simple, we see a clear breakdown. Okay, now there is a tricky thing that I see here, friends. I'll just point it out. Okay, I hope this is a support zone. Okay, so this was resistance, it was not going above that. Finally it went ahead and closed above that, and now it came back to the same level. Now ideally support and resistance principle says that this is now a resistance, a support, and it will continue its journey upwards. But I think the other way, friends. The reason is because of this breakdown. Now those who want to be very safe in this particular trade can go ahead and wait for this support zone to break. Okay, and then sell for a target here or here. Okay, in that case your stop loss will be somewhere around 9692 area, friends. That's where your stop loss will be. That will also give you a good 1:2 or 1:2.5 risk to reward ratio. Now another thing, you might say that if I draw Fibo from the recent bottom to top, it is at a very good support zone. Remember, I have given you a target of only 682. Okay, now this is very much. However, if I invert this Fibo with the recent top, which is here, okay, you will see that it has crossed the 61 points here, and that's exactly we are seeing a support. Okay, now it has to take a proper Fibo support before it continues this journey upwards. So if I draw this Fibo, the proper Fibo support will be at 50, which is somewhere here. At this level, 678 levels, there is a very good support zone. This is an important support zone that it will touch and then continue its journey upwards. Until then, we are looking forward only for sell in Adani ports. I hope I made all my points clear. Did I forget anything? No, I made all my points clear, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Wishing you a profitable tomorrow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, friends.